Snagit for Chromebooks and creating screencasts for students and teachers to use. You can record your presentation as we are doing here. And for Snagit, you need both the Snagit app for screencasting and the Snagit extension for image capture installed. The extension toolbar has the Snagit icon, and the drop-down has the image capture camera region and the video region. You would click desktop to start recording. The library holds the videos and images you've created, and TechSmith also creates a Google folder that holds all of these items as well. The stop recording button, if it's not showing up, click the blue box at the bottom so it pops up so that you can stop your recording. Let's move on to other ideas. To provide project information, you can screencast a website and then have the Scribble toolbar available to you so that you can highlight the important items for your students. So in this one, it's an inquiry-based lesson. Find 3 school-appropriate commercials and explain how they persuaded you. There's a PowerPoint and a link and a Google form that these students need to fill out as part of that. Moving on, you can also include a video within your screencast. Make sure that you have all of your tabs ready ahead of time to make it simpler. This was created on an iPad with Telegami.
Hi, Mrs. L. It's Mary. Could you help? I'm so stuck. I need suggestions to expand my ideas.
The next thing is feedback to a student. Taking a Google Doc and highlighting it, providing comments, will help that student understand what you're trying to say and encouraging them to expand as well as check their spelling and word use. The last thing we're going to cover is using a USB webcam or a document camera to show your work. So I'm going to click the upload button and you'll see webcam capture. I'm going to click on that, and I have an IPEVO USB camera connected. I'm just going to click start recording, and you're going to see my document. And this is a math problem, and so what I'm going to do is solve that using these instructions. So it says isolate the variables, and I know to isolate the variables I'm going to take 5 away from each side, and then I'm going to solve, change my colors. So 10 minus 5 is 5, and I'm going to bring down the x because there's nothing to do there, and a negative 5 and a positive 5 equals 0. I'm going to show the 0 and then cross it out knowing that I don't need that. And so x equals 5, and then it says check your solution. So I'm going to take the original and replace the x with 5 and then solve. So now I know that my solution works. I can stop recording, and I don't have to send it to YouTube, but I've put that in my screencast.